Sometimes you just have to flex on Haulover, especially when it's a nice, calm, innocent day like this. Hell, even do a little dance when you get through. Nice victory dance is always welcome here. Welcome back to this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. Our first boater this week, well, they're going to show us how the bigger they are, the harder they fall sometimes. That's right, doesn't always mean bigger is better, and in Haulover that can be proven over and over again. Here you're going to see this boat coming through here, and it is going to take a licking trying to get through Haulover. Even with this boat's massive size and large displacement, it really does take a tail whooping coming through Haulover Inlet. They really are lucky here. Everything seems to stay intact. I bet the inside of this boat is completely wrecked, but they didn't do anything crazy. They didn't lose their dinghy off the back or anything nuts. But I am still going to give this round to Haulover because I bet the people that were on this ride took one hell of a ride trying to come through here. In round 2, the little guy is going to show the big guy how to get it done. I have no earthly clue why I find this clip so absolutely enthralling and amusing, but there's just something about two dudes rolling through here with a little 5 horsepower motor probably on the back, showing Haulover Inlet how it is done. My dudes are taking it at just the right pace for the size of boat they got. They really are just nailing this one down. This round is definitely going to the boats, and I almost want to give them bonus points since both of them are actually wearing life jackets. Hell, we hardly ever see that on this channel. In the third round, we're going to see what happens when Haulover hits hard. Here you're going to see where some people just think Haulover's all fun and games, like my man on his wave runner here just pounding the surf, when all of a sudden you see he's going to lose a mirror based on the pounding he's taking from Haulover. My man did notice it though, so he's heading back over to get it. This is pretty entertaining here. He comes over here and he picks up the mirror, he kind of looks at it funny, doesn't even kind of know what it is. Right now he's kind of looking around to see if anybody saw that. Well, the rental company's never going to notice this is missing. We'll just go ahead and put it in the front compartment, and maybe we'll just get away with this one. Needless to say, we're going to give this round to Haulover. Our next boater, this one's always a controversial one on this channel. Slow and easy doesn't always win the race. Man, you guys love lighting me up in the comments on these ones when I start talking about how this guy is coming through this too slow. Yes, I know, I can read the comments already. What is this guy even talking about? Do you even boat, bro? Well, of course I do boat, guys, and boats in this size and this horsepower range, they do have a sweet spot even coming through a rough inlet like this on a speed range. Too slow, you're going to get a little bit of a sloppy wet ride like my man's getting here, and if you come in too fast, yes, it can get a little rough, but a boat with this size and horsepower, sometimes you've got to let the boat and the horsepower do the work, and these guys don't do a very good job of that. And for that, I am going to give this round to Haulover, and if you're keeping track, well, that's going to put Haulover 3-1 right now over the boats. We're going to head into our 5th and final round. Obviously, that means Haulover will win this week's episode, but we're going to give it a legendary finish. Some of you guys been asking for him, so we're going to bring him back. If you're not familiar, this is the Yellow Top Legend. My man is famous for coming out through Haulover Inlet in this little tiny rib, just tearing things up when conditions are rough. Today he's picked a nice calm day. Looks like he's got his wife or girlfriend maybe with him. Maybe it's his sister. I don't know what he's into or what he's doing, but he's out there killing Haulover. This round will go to the boats, but it's not really going to matter much. That's just going to put us at a 3-2 win for Haulover this week. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, drop an anchor on that subscribe button. We want you guys to stick around. Also, check out our other channels, Wavy Boats and Broncos Guru. We both got some great boating content going on those channels as well.